anyaya ko mga kababayan, for our peace of mind. Ano man ang gagawin natin pagkagising sa umaga o bago matulog sa gabi, let us talk to our Creator. He miss us all talking to Him. Because we often talk to our cell phone, to our gadgets, to television. We spend time practically 24 hours a day sometimes without talking to our God. Let us start talking to the Creator of our lives. And maybe He will be delighted knowing that we did not totally forget Him. We have not forgotten Him totally. Meron pa ring mga tao na naniniwala sa Kanya, maasa sa Kanya. Ipakita natin mga kapatid. As Filipinos, tayo isang bansa whose God is the Lord. At makakita tayo ng milagro mula sa Diyos.